Welcome to this modern 5-bedroom home design, crafted for families who love space, comfort, and style. As we approach the front facade, you'll notice the soaring glazed gable roofs, the high-pitched ceilings, and the large aluminum windows that flood the home with natural light. This 400 square meter dream home delivers open-plan living and beautiful exposed timber trusses, all achievable from just $80,000. This floor plan shows how the home flows beautifully. Open-plan living in the middle, ensuite bedrooms on each side, and dedicated spaces like the TV room, games room, and scullery exactly where families need them. Step inside to the heart of this modern home. The lounge welcomes you with its open, airy layout and abundant natural light streaming through large windows and folding doors. Notice how the space flows seamlessly into the dining area, perfect for family gatherings or entertaining guests. From here, we move into the sleek, functional kitchen, designed for both style and practicality, with plenty of workspace and modern finishes. The open-plan arrangement allows a clear view back into the dining and lounge areas, creating a continuous, connected living experience that feels both spacious and inviting. From above, we can see the 3D floor layout of the design. Starting at the front, we have the entrance porch, which leads directly into the lounge. Next to the lounge is the dining area, and to the left is the kitchen. This kitchen is spacious, modern, and beautifully designed. It has a kitchen island in the middle, with a sink positioned in the corner. To the right, we have the laundry and scullery room. At the back of the kitchen is the games room, featuring a pool table at the front and a comfortable TV area. From this view, you can clearly see the open-plan layout connecting the kitchen, dining, and lounge. From the dining area, you also have direct access to a small lobby. This lobby provides access to the visitor's toilet, and at the back is bedroom 1. As shown in the plan, bedroom 1 comes with its own ensuite and a study desk. It's spacious, beautifully designed, and very comfortable. From that same lobby, you also have access to the walk-in closet for the master bedroom. This walk-in closet leads directly into the master ensuite, which includes a tub, shower, toilet, and sink. The master bedroom itself features a TV wall and a generous bed area, making it large, elegant, and inviting. From the dining area, you can also access the second lounge. From the second lounge, a passage leads to bedroom 2, which has a built-in wardrobe and its own ensuite. Moving further along the passage, we reach bedroom 3, which also includes a wardrobe and an ensuite. Finally, the fourth bedroom features a spacious bed area with a TV wall and an ensuite positioned at the back. As we begin this 360 degrees tour, you can take in the full view of the property. From this angle, the architectural form becomes clearer, revealing the clean lines and modern detailing of this home. As the rotation completes, the home reveals its full character, simple, elegant, and carefully designed. As we rotate further, notice how the windows, roof design, and proportions all work together to enhance the overall look. Here, you can really see how the materials, finishes, and shape of the building come together to create a well-crafted design. If you enjoy modern house designs, 3D walkthroughs, and architectural home tours, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more beautiful home design ideas every week.